Hey guys, welcome to codeartisanlab. This is video number 15 for gym management system in Django. And in this video, we are going to create two models. The first one is subscriber model. In the subscriber model, we will save additional detail of the user like phone number, address and all the things. And in the subscription model, we will save the plan and the subscriber detail. Okay, so these two models that we are going to create in this video. In our previous video, we have created this checkout form, and before purchasing this plan, I just want to create this subscriber and subscription model so that when we implement the Stripe payment gateway, we will save that data in the relative models. Okay, so let's start to do this. Okay, so first thing we will do, we will create a model for the subscriber. So let's open the gym management system folder, and here I will open the main models.py file. So here I will open and I'll go to the bottom, and here let's say subscriber. Okay, and then class subscriber models dot model. Okay, and I will relate this subscriber with the user model. Okay, so user, so here we need the user, so we need the user from the Django dot contrib dot auth dot models import user. Okay, so we will relate the existing user. Okay, so this will be subs. Okay, and the additional fields are like mobile number equal to models dot char field, and we will say maximum length equal to let's say 20. Okay, and let's add one more field, address. This is the best way if you want to add more fields for the user. Okay, so this is the best way. So address will be a text field, so I will say text field. Okay, so text field here. Okay, now let's add one more field. I will also want to add image. Okay, so the subscriber image. Okay, so that subscriber can manage the profile and he can update the image and mobile number and address and all the things. So let's say subs. Okay, so and we will also return this as an image, so I will return this. Okay, and here this will be image. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so this is subscriber, and by default I will return by default. Okay, we will call the user model, so we will just name that. Okay, so we can simply, if you say, then we can return this subs dot, we can simply return this username. Okay, okay, so one thing more here I want to clarify that if we are calling these subs, then it will return the by default, it will return the instance, so this should be username it will return. Okay, so now let's migrate this, and before migrating, let's create the subscription model also. Okay, so subscription, and this will be subscription, and this is model, and we are not going to attach any relationship with this. Oh, we need to attach relationship, that is a sub plan. Actually we need two relationship, one is sub, one is user, and another is this should be user, not subs, user. Okay, fine, and another is you can say plan. Okay, and this will be sub plan. Okay, and we don't need anything more. Let's add one more thing, price. okay, at the that time price when user purchase this plan. And the maximum length you can say 50, okay. And we don't need any data, so I will just simply, or you can say simply you can return the plan. Okay, we will show the data in the admin also. Actually we will show the data from the admin. Okay, so now let's go to the py manage.py, make migrations. This should be migrations. Okay, so py manage.py migrate. Okay, and now let's py manage dot, let's add these models to the admin. So I'll go to the admin and I'll just simply add these models here. So this will be, I will say subscriber, okay, and this will be subscriber, and here we will add the subscriber. This is subscriber. Let's add the subscriber here, and let's add the subscriber here also. Okay, and let's add this. Okay, so we are adding the, so we have added the subscriber to the admin. Now let's show the fields that we want to show in the list display. So the first will be user, and the second will be mobile, and let's say address, let's say image. Actually we want to show image, and we can't show image directly, we will show the image tag. Okay, and let's show this image tag before the mobile number. Okay, and let's remove this. Okay, and yeah, we are fine now. Now let's manage.py run some. Okay, so this is running. Let's go to the admin and refresh the page, and we have subscribers, and here we have no subscriber currently. Actually when we are registering, then we have to add subscriber instance also when we are going to sign up the user. Okay, so we will do that thing also. Okay, in this video just let's focus on the model, just a subscriber model and subscription model. Okay, and in the next video I will do when we sign up the user, then we will save the data in subscriber model also. Okay, now we are showing this data. Now let's show the data in the admin for the subscription also. So I'll go to the here, and this will be subscription. Okay, and this will be subscription admin, and here this will be subscription, and in the subscription we will show user plan price. So user plan, and this will be price. Okay, and let's refresh the page. So it is saying something, and we will wait for the restarting. Actually we need to restart this, so we will restart this, and let's refresh the page again, and subscription, and we don't have any subscription because we didn't apply any payment gateway for so that user can purchase this plan, but we can do this from admin. So what I will do, I will add subscription. Here I will add like John Doe plan like basic. Okay, and let's add the price also. So I will add the price 200. Actually, okay, let's add the price, but this price will come from the order status. Okay, when we paid the amount, then this price will come from that that payment gateway. Okay, I hope you are understanding that what I want to say. So let's save this. Okay, so in this video I just want to show you that why we need the subscriber and why we need the subscription model, and we have created that. In the next video we will apply two things. The first one is when we sign up the user, then we will save the data in the subscriber also. And the next is one thing more that I will apply in the next video, that is a Stripe payment gateway. Okay, we will do these two things, then we are ready to manage the user dashboard and all the things. Okay, so I hope you understand all the things. If you have any query, anything, then please add in the comment section. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.